Oh, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Church will be what I say. Obaswana like what you be that jack. I'm more register like a crack and sana. I best start. So and I'm starting. Yeah. So just write something for me to know say you are on here. Now based on my ear. I'm gonna shout out. But don't worry. More money item did. I have time for you guys today. I've seen say most of the guys are mudi attempting in a more Ghana no because omuni mobia your friend Beyonce or Mate, but they don't know what they are saying. Okay, your friend hina about down hina address, hina na bien ya na boom. What you say? What you say crab Emma fan 18 this a be foul. A be foul za chichi dey see my catch. Yo, it's about this teaser and I said trailer video about Almighty Shatawale only Beyonce, you know. Now first of all, even Shatawale any Beyonce at the first place in the crown pono a big achievement and I say a good the Kajama Kasakra the greatest thing about the career which is very nice. Aboa Ghana music industry now as a whole. So on the mention. It's you know, say being say Shatawale will meet Beyonce and I say one meeting no. The here say on no aye nyom, which is very good. What I say because me meeting from a voice and say mini Beyonce mix it. And we have a lot of musicians in Ghana. Now it's only Shatawale near picking his own for the voice and run. I say oh my yes I don't know. It means there is something in Shatawale. But abusuafo so we nyom it doesn't mean say chinchina also we video can ho and as I say video ba you know first of all video now teaser in a buy video na mu my but you can base on this trailer now ban so akasa unless say you are scared to say something unless say you are scared of all this insult be ba also so we ani a na say dia Ghana na wote e na wunnim obi a friend Beyonce a that's only when I obeka say girl now what's her video na Shatawale so dem no Beyonce obi a onim obi a friend Beyonce bia nim say girl onye Beyonce and Shatawale na nka say nim say girl onye Beyonce so I don't see why you people are mu insulting say we Beyonce na ho masa e dey John level no e krasesam kwa na mo aka ho this SM fans do na nko school ti Jimmy nko a Muni will be Mungo Beyonce, na motion the picture. Men got Beyonce na did or crumb in the foyer crassy. Mushe get in the face, what I say. Me, I don't blame Shatawale, but the only thing is, let's do like this. Let's say, and yomuna omoyeno, and yet Shatawale nyom, ubine dene so what I say. So nene yenyom, good. It's on nene yenyom, no, nipan person shoot video. Obeso shoot video abusuafo shut apart and say ebi I catch shut say record this scene nafa this scene nafa bra na ye mix it so nafa bra na ye mix it no shut no ade ba ko amamadwa on the life ni say o brand ne so what I say big brand o say Shatawale o hu say so bi be ya ade na say emboa e betu image so it doesn't matter anyone say no sit here you have to voice out so na say ya catch us say ye di obi brew o te say Beyonce na enye Beyonce na o te say Beyonce na wo jijo wo ne na yade na wo na wugu hu anim say brand na o dey come from look say wo fully sa boys we mu say classifo boys we ya o mu ni obi e friend Beyonce o mo kun to kwase Beyonce mo dey mo ye classifo mo ni tete ba kokora and then you are insulting when you ye when you are insulting say Beyonce chinchire Beyonce mo ye classifo pa na mo Ghana ho no sa tetina na kofa Photoshop no why the tin ho atwamo the girl in the video is not Beyonce o tom what you say and then the Shatawale himself onim say enye Beyonce so this is not about insulting enye atemdidi na obedi no na be mana dane Beyonce na munja nkurasesem ne oba you come and insult no what you say everybody where wani ati a wonim R&B music bia no wonim Jay-Z no who Beyonce, who's the Beyonce ni. What did they make an say? So the whole concept like, okay, young can say, young fan say, Shatta Wale and Beyonce, they don't have to meet too. And you can so share on my video these days 2020. You can live in Tamale, no biti New York, or Motironum, no my video together because and the technology man is possible. Until Shatta Wale and this is also share Beyonce. Or some people or some motias. And you know, Shatta Wale say be all your video no any part. I know then or they are sending on my mixing. But instruction is free. Say Beyonce na product and if you know want to buy the management in the buy, say. Ebia Shatta, you say when you go away your video this style Shatta dey we near mixing and market say. Shatta Wale, a big Shatta Wale, a whole Shatta Wale, Ghana for you na so I'm going to say go away or Shatta that is a Beyonce. Near you to say Beyonce. Na say begu anymore and you say no, I will not do that. Because se see na video ni ba trailer na ba na ye hwe na the guy is pretending as if say oh you Beyonce. So fake him. I don't know anya wo Shatta Wale dey tag you say anytime be a fake in na oye. Meanwhile say be na nya idea. Aneti na nko ne nam circle, untwitwa video bi. Onko ne nam forest bi, unko zoo bi, lion king hwa untwitwa video bi, unfa mom no mix with your mode. Na chinchina o say ge bi, eye hu say Beyonce for people to know say Beyonce na one na ye. Shatta Wale, Shatta mu a big brand, a big very big empire. Nti wo ye bibia o say o ye real. Na boys no mu do achi na, o mo say o mo ye fan, o mo ne ye nkurasefo. You come to somebody's video, cross for winning Beyonce. What do you John Cram Ghana ho? John Bia no nya phone kuta sem no nya time no okoto ako free credit to MTN ho loan dey bend dey no or the type kwase asem. But you don't know Beyonce. Just go to Google, type Beyonce. Now maybe can't German can I feel like na compare omo. What I say? Na munja insult na Jimmy na mo dey mo ti African and kwase asem and the Jimmy Munya samode bedwen the moment amaka samu pe obi asem no nipa na ekaba kra na mo hwe no because mo Jimmy ene ne mo ne na mo de tete Ghana ho no no munim Beyonce ana me kote Beyonce no na ye you the envy am o hate no Jimmy Shatta Wale mabutu ye ni ye na Ghana for and we love Ghana music industry na ko ye pe and if something comes out na egu ye ni mo asia we say it. Eti SM fans say mu mani ntina mu bie mani se mani ya mo ya mo nko doctor na Beyonce de enyo na o video nim no. The question here is Shatta Wale na no plan yes another Shatta no kra wonim. This is the question. Nobody is blaming Shatta Wale because the product no music the video is not for Shatta Wale. What I say? Eti no enye Shatta Wale no be blaming no. Eti say ya kase enye Beyonce enye chinchina wo ye SM nti wa Jimmy Atabanti school wan ko bi ana wanya say crash phone bi mo tretna computer ho na say mo browse na mo nya phone bi kutam se mo dwe say mo na Jimmy na wo type ana your mother enye Beyonce na your mama mo Jimmy pa na mo go Africa wono kwasiafo mo ni mu crash sam kwa na mo di go wono mo ni today 2020 wo Beyonce kra wo ho no enye ko say wo so hu no but obi ka say nya ono a you just go to Google Google na kwa there akọ type ahwe all your pictures no and just when you inform yourself and you say picture na ban why screenshot oh the envies kwasi am envy Shatta Wale on etu am car bills mama and I say oh there am envy no na mo Jimmy na mo didi na chi na kwasi asema mo di no Shatta Wale obetu school fees ma and I so hwe baby ma I didn't kwasi asem kwa na mo di go Africa mo mama ni ntina Jimmy na today. What you say? It is not Beyonce. And no open womb pill some be some bed SM and your Beyonce no Shatta Wale teaser him na buy no. That doesn't mean say Shatta Wale in a yes having. The only problem here is Shatta Wale so be the fake Beyonce bro say man pretend to say Beyonce as Shatta Wale big person like you know. Or so can say yo no mo person ye video ni dia. Let me bring my part this way. Na mo fan shame am ti sa dia menye. And you better since be begu animal to say the biana de yata. Oh, it's me Shatta no crowd on dey mean blame no because on your guy. What you say? On your the level. Na san kwasiafo na mu gu ne chia mo se me esam for mo na mo ye nkurasofo. Me gote Beyonce. Iti Google ni mo phone so ana. Ade friend Google we bi ni mo phone so. Anti wudimi take second. En kogo nkobo Beyonce en hwe the picture. Now fan compare girl na we in picture. Girl ni young. What you say? Girl na fi na body ewa kokoshe. And then the group picture no mo twa ya Shatta Wale she mami bua moto mo Shatta Wale ketekete no. Beyonce won so. Someone ya John, Beyonce won so. Someone ya John, Beyonce won so. Onye ni pakese. Girl, group picture Shatawale show be a moto ngede. Girl na fu nyina se wadi infant doc no. What I say? As wadi infant doc no. We saying this things are we say what tan Shatawale why Jim papa me tan Shatawale say Shatawale on oya me den. Me tan Shatawale. Enipa na obo nwoma e de yesa o promote Ghana bibia ye okay. Obi tan na den. Ade na aba no e na egu Ghana ni mu ase. Enye Ghana fon kwa na we internet so. Enye Ghana fon kwa say de beti gra no e be di ani. Enye Ghana phone kwa na we internet o. Enye Ghana phone kwa. Nigerians are there. Now if they even see say yakofa oba bia na body say e Beyonce a, they will even laugh at on be sreyen. What you say? Enti SM fast munya sam nkura sesem na mudi gugu Africa ni jimi no amusua de ade ase ayi phone kwa ayi ba me to me bo ase kura no man ka sem bi wa. What you say? Yo me no oko video bia o mo say oye sa akode we video for here so we say me nyo bia o. I love music and say anyone air da say if anyone air dem ko ade a. What you say? You betie Shatawale, he's very good the obey bia ayi but won't me ankofa ayi e trend say I anoma bi emetusu say aboa be na said na me dane a chinchina so esa na Ghana music in Ghana kasa na ogu ani mu ase say bringing something out and doing something na ye beka say Beyonce Nigeria fo nyina be sere yen. What is this na ye ka mo na mo se mo ye SM fan na mo nim nyansa mbe ka asem bi no. The only wise video na me hu ye yi man dey friend Kofi Nyako we be obi a be chia wo. What you say? Kofi Nyako kwa netimi kanya sesem say the girl is not Beyonce but music you know the video is not for Shatawale. It's here Beyonce in the team no like Shatawale NG Gateway no one shoot to this star no one family no one mix it. This is the wisest thing obi aka. On go post your chrono obi aka ko didi na tem. Say modi Jimmy na today money queen be faso your address issue say obi ba no video as no atwe bibi no they cannot do that. Say we SM tin say nipa na tabawa wo Jimmy kura na wo di ache say we SM mo ya kwasiafo pa obi ye video no betena mo didi atem na hwan na you the hate na hwan na ma me na say na say sa wo ma me twa ne hwan na atwa mo killers e yam kran didi sa atem no mo nko sua atem didi na mo mra ma fi ase Umpeo, the guy is no Beyonce, mo pa munkusu, ashemo. What you say? Shatawale o share Beyonce da. O share ne da. E di grab grab phone so kono ne nkasa da. And na nya ti ni ko asem pretend. Just say obi akwakoye bi. Ghana musician bi ne American icon bi anasa style bi akwakoye nyom. Amoma ye live video ni ada ti chinchina. Shatawale so ni Beyonce. Shatakram post you so ni Beyonce. Aye video bi a. Na mo se mo na me SM fant mo ko na mu didi atam na obi akotwa obi timi kokotwere keke obi akọ ayi a obi atwe se mo se Beyonce anan obi ko se ho no kra na atam didi e be diwa diu ma me no papa because am no ya SM mo mama ni ntie o ani bia ba na mu nya Jimmy no enye se wo te ofun achi na wo ye phone gangster wo show fie na nkurase phone bi kuta o kwase ya was kam phone bi kuta sem ti no wo nya ho de type bi ana Jimmy wo didi atem wo ya ho phone gangster SM no bosumi dues be na wutua ma SM yi no SM movement dues be na wutua wo membership card wo bi Jimmy kwa na moti Africa na mu Jimmy na kwase asem obi ye video a do you know how long it takes to produce a quality video munim ajen kwase asem obi atena se wa ye video no na mu nkura asem am di go Africa na mu de comment kwase asem wa ase Jimmy because comment na cheap. What do you say? Also, yes, some fan, oh, yes, Bosumi, what you say? Dues Ben, what you are, Dues Ben. Oba no aba na you the envy am you Jimmy kwasiya you dey Germany o me I dey envy somebody when I'm not Ghana na mo maso aye na Jimmy na kwasasem ko a mo bo bi video ase you people should listen mo sua nyansa and the video is expensive. It's not like those days obi na video na mo kwase a think before you write something. Yes, I'll call you Jimmy now we trade be if you listen to somebody's video who tie we are who share we are you think so can information be na no fact just go to Google inform yourself okwa no type bibi what you say no when you work on answer na oba wo bibi kutanti masa no aye before say me yes that video said the guest not Beyonce say me sorry na me hear you Ye comparison, ya share Beyonce ne hwene ni say. I share bibi ahwe even how omo kate sa videos no. Ehun say omo biti na so omo meti. What you say? And say fitin ya na ye. Eti wo ba na so bia in video, you see caption, uni bondo o bondo sa no ma ba. Uni bondo crowd de be hwe. What you say? O bondo kete sa no ma bi ba. Who caption na udidi atem because also we SM Jimina SM now one boso me deals say na wutua ma SM yi no movement deals say na wutua ma SM yi no musua nya ansa na munya say Jimina mu di go Africa no what you say kwasi asem sa na ade ache na ade asa mo de kwasi asem sa di go Facebook kwasi asem sa na ade ache mo pe djuma bia ni Jimmy kwa me kwate ya you dey envy am. Hater, you dey envy am. Wani Beyonce, hey boy, where Jimmy? Beyonce ni, ukasa ebesre what you say. It's only in Africa, Ghana. Uko enkurase ni baby now the same picture na kwachre. Say Beyonce ni o mbeji wadi, but not on internet because omo mani ate. What you say? Ewo Facebook. Omo munim ni yako Facebook. It's all for sa picture na de ko ukrom ukurase. Uko anada cheshe emrewa ne nkokora no. Wo de chiro mo ase Beyonce ni. What you say? And the Omega say, no magic. But if you bring this picture on Facebook, telling the whole Facebook say, this is Beyonce. Now it's like say be watching any papa. Now nyansa di nyansa wunimbi. What you say? I'm talking to you, these guys. I'm also my SM family. Muntu ya deuce. Most of my SM family. I'm muntu ya deuce. And I am yani Jimmy na mona man for video. I say I'm more commenting. Mati classic for group. And I'm more commenting. What I say? Mama maninte. Mum be my dream. You people should read. Tinchina e Beyonce. Beyonce ni. Beyonce na kwa di infante dokono. Beyonce na kwa di abete. Mo ya jumpa. Na me ka sa SM family money ate. Se mo ye nkurase for. Mo didi atem rough. Obo bi video se na didi atem. Mama mani bi na mo nya nkurase se na mo di go Africa honom no. John. Mo John se ma mi bi mo. What I say? Dear Emmy, ya cries up, he said, you the envy am. Hey, bro. I the envy who? Where Jimmy? What about? Mama money tio. What I say? Mama money in that honum. SM movement. Also, ye member, kwa na kutu your dues every month. O kwa na kutu your dues every month. Monji membership card. And you want no keke na wo de beka. And you want no keke. And you unkwasi ya data na wakoto na wo de type ni yema no. John who di matam so o hwe me kwasi ase me star Jimmy. Me your star who di matter na wo san hwe mo so wa Jimmy. Who di matter village hwan and I wo san hwe me metima konwa no my abowa and I wo hwe me John. Mama mani nte it's about time obi ya ade na so penasem asa o ye what is another whatever na so penasem o ya ade a eba say kra no waka no atum yenka bi what you say no waka no atum because the girl in this video enye Beyonce uhu ya no ayedin sometimes no comment better than everything and yes ukwa adene red that was black red was black esa na we hear Jimmy ho so esa na we hear Jimmy ho what you say o ba me video so be di matter mention am to a wo hwe mi mienu ho na Jimmy wo de ka kire me wo ba ye na wo betie nyansa sem free the marking ho no wo di matter mienu ho na ataba what you say moti Ghana ana de munima no se munsua de yes Jimmy kwa masaka ne biem Jimmy kwa na me SM movement bosomi aso makotu aduse ama SM empire ne da bosomi aso wo de obedi kura nso wo yam komza aboa bi bosomi aso ama makotu aduse ama SM movement ne da and also ye SM movement SM fan this way na wutua wo be ko ho ntokwa Jimmy because when you sika koto 2 CDs credit bi etimi de browse hwe check o comment ba ko a no adum data no akoda wo ba no o be check so afidi na yi na makwasea ahaye Germany what you say ahaye dum data wa ha mun kura system na mu go Africa no wo be di obi atema no adum data na okọ wo dum data na okọ siafo wo be di me matem say you dey envy am no ha mo mama ni nti mun kura system no you be bad mo nyina so e ka nipa for pe no munim nyansa o page ni so is okay what you say it's about time am be mama ni ate bibi ba se ya motombo ase se obi ya ade na anye ya it's better say on comment at all and this idea na de dia na Jimmy na omumu na mamu Jimmy what you say oh Stonebwoy ni carry agbako ye video Stonebwoy asoso girl oni mu odi na chele live video chinchira ni ti Shatta Wale so ni Beyonce video mo ye jam hey this competition you know Stonebwoy oni carry akoye video oni na yenyom they shot a video Stonebwoy na live video or so in Ghana or so basic and because of that chinchina Shatta Wale so Beyonce ba Ghana Beyonce na fusia kudoi bema mumma manina ho what you say mumma manina ho no munja this challenge no Shatta Wale kro won kan hwe se video no o pasan ko bank be post wo ne wo once we post bi won post on kro kan hwe tene ba bi dwen ne ho e promote ni nyum bi wo na wo so wo ye SM movement ho an SM fan eso SM fan na wo ye untua deals bia de woni man se wo ko Facebook amanfo videos ase amanfo blog ase no akodi di atem Jimmy sa na kire wo sa na kire wo what you say anya force say o se chinchina Shatta Wale o meet Beyonce Shatta Wale na mo ye big dida what you say Shatta Wale o ye big dida anya force also but say Beyonce management ba ho na o mo ka kire wo say ye the fake Beyonce bro this is the concept obedre city ye Beyonce oba na ya mix ya shem why ubusa question identity na mo yesa because Beyonce only time obeba o team Africa then enti no ye the oba bi ba no wa say Beyonce as SM Shatta Wale on a whole Jamaica phone na unzo ye guy no the only thing you have to say is say yo sa line dey menye SM make me fans anymore say what you say sa line dey nya dey ameye it's no some person video ne dia this is what I'm going to do mo fa concert for and I say my video no something like this no yati gan anim what you say a bad video ne ba na ka Beyonce ne gina ha na ye Shatta ne gina ha no yati gan anim say ba ya no kram na enye se obi portray say Beyonce obi person was scamming the whole Ghana what you say scam the whole Ghana Shatta and Beyonce ayenyom and kwa achievement o my video achievement it doesn't mean the chinchina video no on share no so mu. This is something you people have to understand. And this is she say Stonebwoy akoye bi nti chinchina Shatta so nya bi mama boy the pressure sa mo na mo se mo ya full soldiers mo se mo ya full and Jimmy kwa mo de ti Ghana honom she say nyansa de mo nim bi ade matise say sa mo amose mo ye Shatta fans no do na anko school kwase asem ko ade woni man atebidie oba your mother your hwan onya ye gwamie hwan what you say obi twire say me ye John blogger as Jimmy wo hwe me wo hwe me hwe say we de mayetia wasia what you say mama mani nte it's about time I Ghana for me bie mani sa asem bi ba mo nya research mo ready kakra sa girl ni nye Beyonce chinchina wo de atebdidie pese odan Beyonce be da ye ade ye red no ntimi nya ne black man nye ye what you say if say Beyonce made Adam Jimmy among be they follow me ma be tena say Beyonce I will never do that what you say the person is not Beyonce so no anya watem didi a obedi and be Beyonce what you say oba be di dem asking atem also wo hwe me wo de credit hwe me ye be ye we now credit na sa na uniska na wo so ko free won se wataba so what you say o credit na o de hwe dem asking wo so wodi matem wo hwe me na wodi matem ye be video we now credit na asa ebi ni so e just how kwam ten ko free won se wa Jimmy wo ya jam what you say we telling you something o se mo mutie se Jimmy ne wo memu a o se mutie Shatta movement musua de na munya Jimmy no o ka se obetime fully Ghana nyina na o ka se Ghana nyansafo ni wana na ka Ghana fo nyina na think it say mo aman go school ni Jimmy za you bring somebody to wear the same attire to say we Beyonce you know that say Beyonce enipa no so fu adoa na fu nyina ya kese na bodwe wa enti ya ni nya na ye koka mo se ye be di matem na mu di atem na watem didie na ene be ma girl no every video no mama Beyonce abeshim me pacho se atem didie na wudi no ene be ma girl no every video no Beyonce abeshim mo se mo ye Shatta movement a boso me so mo nkotu aduse mo ko na mo ntu aduse ma Shatta empire no mfanya ne ma papa na munya nkwase asem no na munimani atem didie the money at MDD. And there's something you people have to know. And this is changing of beer idea or such China the same thing now you. But it can get close. It shouldn't be the same. issue ni nyina ne se shata for mani abra mo kontokwa nyina ne se Stone Boy ni Kerry Hilson aye video tom omo ye live video omo chele omo ye bibia nominate no anwan eno ne pressure da mo so a ama mo taba no a chichina makofa yi mo mama ni nti mo mama ni na ho no mo mama ni na ho monye steady pa na sa atem didie o ma me ho anwan na atwam ye nkran level ye video mu di atamanya ne many years ago ebia wa fe kra na ba Facebook jow o credit kitwa o credit kiti sam makusam what I say jo me dum be see from the market o hina na dwan say hona na dwan atete apansam o hina na dwan enye na dwan nye papa me dimu see ya me last word I love everybody me fans for nyina me domu nyina all my followers I love you all and I menye Shatawale menye Stone Boy menye Sakode I'm for Ghana music and you me na da metie me pamacho when obi antwem say wotan ho ahwa me ntan obi a jay say krasefo na obi fake obi profile na nanim tan no hye kona bi na phone call di twa picture kra ni na ho no ba be di watem no mo ntina mba betena ya sa video yi obi timi be twere comment bi wo yi no akohwe ni profile abekọ no na aboa bi sebi aboa bi what you say is it there Kofinya ko mechiaw emisi enipa why video nyansa video baako this season oka asem fa sa Beyonce fake Beyonce no ho a nyansa sam ni Kofi baako Kofinya ko the second ono ko a ono video no say the girl is not Beyonce o say girl no the enye Beyonce na emom no video no enye Shatawale dia what I say Beyonce the management be omode ba say this is the concept so enti bia woni we shoot na mo fam na ono ni nipa waka nyansasem omo maka nyina na ye obehwe na anim no na ne profile na anim tan ya na phone ko di twa yi no odi twa picture kra ni na ho na wo hye wan kona bi na onu di watem kurasini obi airport kra onu ho da John what you say no onu di watem because of internet so abro so de da kra look SM movement Shatawale I was said o start it now my membership card because we have ancophobia or my senior Jimmy will be just a mimi Jimmy so heme kwase amenu me no Jimmy anope wa help papa anope o ma me wa kwhwe no ana wo ti wa wo hwe me no o just a mema Jimmy o but anope wo kwhwe wo papa wo kwhwe wo nana me na wo hwe me but you are right in say my Jimmy I was Shatawale started say obema membership card na sa nkwasiafo na omoba Facebook omdidi atem o must start etua dues every month because this credit na moton is so cheap to the sense say adi bi she one corner crowd otimi di atem it is that SM family no there should be membership card abosumi biamba kwako tua dues ama almighty Shatawale no dey any lie because mono mo ya John guys what you say mono mani ntete ye mo ye nkrasefo what you say ana mo hwehwe one corner na munnim ane se mudi atem se mo se mani atia SM se mo se mani atia this single video by even short 30 seconds video no am ya kire say most of you no eye John munnim obi e friend Beyonce mo gaga nyina munnim obi e friend Beyonce mo gaga nyina na shatta one SM for life is for it munnim obi e friend Beyonce ban kwan kenye yawo se munnim na nkenye ya se munnim na nkenye ya na emom se aba na se obi di bitimo na obi ti se da marken oba jam se yo what's up mon post we nya Beyonce akenya atem didie mo betie na sopam de munnim an se mo ba na ma bedi di atem but sa SM na mo se mo ye no obi ani ho tu dues makan how many times and makan be 25 times it is about time se bibia yesika. Everything is money these days. It is almost starting to dues because credit now more the commenting one day so cheap to say abua bia to me one corner no did obi to set the marking at them. You are watching me. Oh shame. Oh sorry I'm not share oh mommy. Oh sorry I'm share one nana. Oh sorry I'm share papa. You are watching me and then you are insulting me, John. Munyan crasisem no. What did I make? Munjan crasisem no. What your friends now acting like gangster. SM for life. Oh, small boy, I know about Facebook. Who be a Facebook that bay? Oh, John say one more. What I say? Facebook that bay now will be no. Facebook that bay now will be no. Crasisem say. That bay now will be a Facebook. You cast video. You did video say videos. So now on back Facebook. Crasini. Oh, Baby did the attempt. Casemientia, you the envy am Crasini. John, man, trust I him crada. Man, I the envy who. So I am a Busianiana. I love Ghana music, and I'm proud to say Tio Bizet Tawali. No, yeah, Badinyum. And net today, Yambab. Those days, Abrofonium na neighbor. What you say, Abrofon, but then because of Shatawale, Storm Boys, all those guys, because of them, you know. Yentia Brofonium, Yetia Ghana, and then we are proud to be. But your business was the chinchina. Oh my God, I saw correct better no attention, better, something like that. You don't sit there because we are not foolish. You're Jimmy. What you say? Na ye can. We also ye SM soldier, SM fan. Fan I won't your deuce. Won't your deuce. Oh, ban me page about did matem because my video may kind of cray. Won't say what about? Ah, wouldn't say what Jimmy. What's sorry no pa be did the marking attempt. Also, you are watching me. Won't say wouldn't answer. What did they make a choice? Say, who's a moon yansan? Monsieur Yansan is about more Dawson to win matem didier. I never know. I mean, I tried the those days. 2016, what they tell my mature. I've put a month from that. And on ya, Grammy, and in your crown level, ya tessa. Munya Jimmy no Munjai, no Monsieur, dear. I am ready. Obedient video by motion ye. I sound a more commented. It's not say oh baya no abetire obi kura hwe video caption oh share caption no di atem obi tim be caption was we dey can me hear do atem because of it. Jimmy kwa you go there and say bro watch the video before you make your comment or share yours oh no paper so it's about time so we need credits so be Facebook abehwe video amema also you do mo phone nada. And answer for our phone, Coco read the news be, and then the okwa won't show video because video in the better. O bond on the best. What I say, so when this scout should be a pro baby also wear some scouts show bottom. Ah, she can't show bottom. What's the way this can family? Una namna wood diatem. Shatawale nam wakana watum, woman namna wood diatem, Jiminti. Mama manitio. SM a time no day ko fikinya time no day mumma manim bie na ni bia ba yo 2020 ukono bia ni video o asem na o ka no wo hwe na ne wonje anya dia no watana se din no gogo dia kwa ne kan no kra na ukoye Beyonce okofa ne picture video kra me the picture to so kire wo se ne hunu efe ge ne hunu efe na ni muta ho what ya say na bodwenwa etika wo hwe ye na kanya sa badin pe no when oh ja say nya Beyonce o now the beat at war ho now the wani wu akoyi afiri ho so dia me cho no titina Beyonce Jimmy Beyonce hey somebody am say mataba what so ya no padi do be di the market at them you are watching me bro make us say dey be chen what they say because this guy is now almost so much Shatawale chino do na yemwa dizam kase me kan because of this Shatawale ya de bi na nya amanfo ntimi nkan because omo nani matem didie na omo ni mu twere pa na o ma metwe eno pa omo ni mu twere eti because of this no show obi timi ko Twitter no obi the picture na to na mo say Beyonce ana mo say obi say yetimi di watam sa what I say look Shatta, Shatta is a very good guy. Neniate, we are forcing from day one till today, and the guy is still forcing. What I say, me tie nyom, me some pa me videos be my yamon say even Shatta, nyom bi na me twabi, edit to ayina say. What I say, because me pe Shatta asem, but if the thing is left we don't say right, and they just say oh yeah real. And so yeah, I hope say na dey me ye obi a wonim nyansa onya kwasea na adwensisi ye no obete ne me kana se obi a na adwen mu da honom na adwen ye no obete na odin no atie video ya me ye no ate de me kana se mentan Shatta na emum no wotu on na sade bi ba na nya you talk as a man menye pussy what I say benye john na ba bia amanfo ni nyina ko no wadi a kire bi na mo wo hwe the right thing no waka so what you say obi abetwere Jimmy hwe wo hwe wo hwe me era ahwe me me ye Jimmy na ahwe me o so na opa nkohwe wo maame kwase ya nkohwe wo papa Jimmy fo nkohwe wo nana the market na wo hwe me wo se wataba o san so wo hwe me so still o credit me sana me yisu bon wo wiasa ko fi bi da sa hwe me John what you say so ni ame kan say the mark Shatawale Bentano me peso be ka se bia o tana se bi say Shatawale or ye guy or ye good music but bibi bana nya don't say o ye SM fan itino obetaba enya no waka me what you say mo start na mo ntua mo dus nkwasiafo mo nkora mo tua mo dus no Jimmy na mo nya atem didie no because ene internet is so cheap to say to the extent say adi bia timi share one corner no nya smartphone kutani se no comment na ke those days na I hope say internet na so mo man boy dem because nkwasiafo bi ti say mo a mo de mo ni man atem didie say mo type atem didie no Mumuntino obi enim nyansa kro person oye videos on person obey because the person is scared some mo be dinatem obi nim nyansa pa adwen woni tirim person oye videos no the educational be or church amanfo because of kwasiafo bi tisemo no mo ba internet de muni mani atem didi ni no because of that ni no enipa no person obey the videos ni nyansa ka ni tirim unse munni mu nyansa Obi ya de na you go straight and talk as a man. The girl in the video is not Beyonce. Me can be o person o pasre. The girl is not Beyonce o tom. The man can I say so? What you say? Obi si akwe John. Hwe me John na oti wa wo hwe me yo. Me John na wo hwe me anopai. Abosen wo Ghana. Ghana abosen wonya tamba be hwe me. When your time baba kwase a so kra won gozu nko mama me nso kra nko straight up me check your bibia what you say oko YouTuber the market then no e said ya twe no hayana moko the market no subscribe what you say enye obi na also subscribe you e wo mo anyansa wo mutirim say sorry to say wonnim nyansa me nko subscribe to my channel because I don't want me pen kwase afo me pro mo reason what you say me pe omo reason anya say me say subscribe me say adu bia nko subscribe bi no me pe omo anya say omo a obi comment to video asia you can learn something from comment no obi how we video obi timi be comment bi na wo sua bi free commenting these are the people I want them to follow me on Facebook to follow me on Instagram to subscribe on my YouTube channel and yes kwase bia ono no wo share John Kwana bia ono ka bondo credit video ko ni bi no ni man so better say your mother and your papa mun free channel no so nko mun konko team page kura mun kwa ono ma me ne wona na mun team page what you say mun konko create team page na mun fa ni nkwasasa mun fa ni di atem what did them can me say we are John mun free the marketing page no so what you say unfollow okwa akoko team page mun kura sesem no go to page ono ma me na ma me manage ma oni oba na odi posumuade what you say obi so abetwere ma mother o hwe me anopai hwe se me ho afa Jimmy for what you say me do bibia ase especially kwasiafo no we show credit hwe me no me da mu nyina am se nya me hira mo straight up